Can you tell me what do you know about wet dreams?
Wet dreams. Sexual dreams you get by fantasizing boys, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
Wet dreams are like when you have the dream about like sex or porn and stuff.
What do you know about wet dreams?
It's something when you're aroused.
Imagining Nick Bateman with his shirt off. I think that is more than enough for a wet dream.
Basically sexy dreams that you get in the night and it makes you go wet. I don't know, just gives you good, happy sleep, makes you get late the next morning.
Usually it happens to somebody who's very, very sexually aroused at a moment and does not have release. So I guess they just dream about something or somebody and it turns them on and then they sort of climax.
So you get up and like the whole pillow and everything is wet.
Something like you're having orgasms in your dreams.
It's when you're like subconsciously horny in your sleep and then you start, maybe you start reacting also in a sexual manner, but or either it's just you getting wet.
Teenagers to usually get. So yeah, once you get into that age, then a teenager is always trying to explore himself or herself.
Wet dreams are basically when you're sleeping and all your fantasies come to life in your sleep, and yeah, you're just imagining yourself with somebody you like, or you don't remember stuff, but you know you're wet like morning and you're like, oh my god, what happened last night? Yeah.
Do you know this all happens with males as well?
Yeah, does. Yeah, mostly.
Generally it's the boys because they are too much into porn.
Guys get them after like the age of 13, I think, and they wake up in the middle of the night with a wet bed because they've just come in their sleep.
It's the worst thing in a boy's life that takes place, basically. So they cannot sleep together if they are going for a picnic because something really bad happens and the entire place gets wet.
Do you know this happens with males as well?
Yeah,
How do you know?
I'm sure a lot of guys have said that.
Do you know this happens with males as well?
It does?
Yeah, it does.
It does? I have
You
no
didn't
clue.
know that?
I have no clue.
Yeah, it does.
So where did you come to know from?
वो रहता है ना स्कूल में.
Experience है क्या तेरे को?
What rubbish? No.
Yeah, obviously males more than women actually, as far as I know.
How do you come to know that?
I have friends, I read books, I watch TV and like movies.
When did you realize your first experience of wet dreams?
I don't know. I don't really remember such. Probably when I was in my teens, obviously.
When did you realize your first experience about wet dreams?
A wet dream. I hope my mom doesn't watch this. Okay. My first experience. Well, just yeah, okay. You know Nick Jonas. So when he started building his body, I kind of got a dream about him, and I didn't know what the feeling was. So I was confused. But then yeah, I felt a little hormonal and like a little attracted to him more than so that's all.
I think it's pretty natural. I think sometimes you don't even realize.
Yeah, you
I think it's just like 2 weeks back or maybe yesterday. Like you never know unless and until you're pretty aware about it, and it's like, oh my god, what is this? Otherwise, you just used to the feeling. So I mean, it must be happening.
When did you realize your first experience?
About wet dreams?
Yeah.
I haven't had one yet.
Seriously?
Yep. Yeah, I seriously don't remember. Maybe in school, when I was in school.
When did you realize your first experience in it?
Actually, not really because I don't even remember exactly.
How long back,
2 years back.
How you wake up in the morning, how did you come to know like it's just gone up,
No, you feel that after you get up in the morning. Sensation.
How does it end? I mean, it's just normal. Like most of the time, you don't even remember. Sometimes you do. Like I think that's called lucid dreaming, when you just like you're half awake and half asleep. But then you know it because you feel it. I think that's how it works. That's how periods work. Like, you're like, oh my god, I think I'm charming because you feel it, right? So I think that's how it ends.
I have no idea. It just stops. It's just it just stops. I don't know when it starts, and there's this time when I'll just be like, fuck, I'm getting a wet dream. Did someone see me? That's it.
Do you watch porn?
Yeah, sometimes.
I did watch. Yes.